The legend is back. A welcome to the future of simplicity and reliability with the 2025 Suzuki Mehran. On this channel, 2025 Suzuki Mehran, we dive deep into one of the most iconic names in compact car history, now reborn for a new generation. After years of speculation, Suzuki has finally given the Mehran a modern makeover, bringing it back with advanced features, improved design, and an unbeatable promise of affordability and efficiency. The 2025 Suzuki Mehran holds on to its heritage while embracing modern expectations. With a compact yet refreshed exterior, it now features sleek halogen headlamps, a slightly wider grille, and more aerodynamic lines while staying true to its original silhouette. The new design is subtle but smarter, making it ideal for urban navigation while offering a familiar feel to longtime Mehran fans. Its small footprint is perfect for tight city streets and parking in congested areas, which has always been one of its strongest advantages. Inside, Suzuki has upgraded the Mehran with a digital instrument cluster, touchscreen infotainment system with Bluetooth and USB connectivity, and improved air conditioning. The fabric seats have been redesigned for better comfort, and although the cabin still leans toward minimalism, it no longer feels outdated. Suzuki has managed to keep costs down while offering the basic features that today's budget-conscious drivers expect. Safety is also improved with dual front airbags, ABS, and a stronger body structure. Under the hood, the 2025 Mehran features a new 800cc Euro 6 compliant engine, paired with a 5-speed manual or optional automatic transmission. It's built for fuel efficiency, offering over 22 km/h, making it an ideal daily driver. Its maintenance costs remain low, just like the original, and the parts are widely available, which continues to make it a mechanic-friendly vehicle for every corner of the country. This reborn Mehran is not trying to be a high-end sedan or a flashy SUV. It proudly owns its purpose, to be an affordable, reliable, and efficient car for the masses. Whether you're a student, a new driver, or someone looking for a dependable backup car, the 2025 Suzuki Mehran makes a strong case. So, if you're as excited about this comeback as we are, don't forget to like this video, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to 2025 Suzuki Mehran for more updates and reviews.